single day, I'm gonna make something great. That's my way.
Hello, this is Yasser, and today we have assignment 3 for the embedded system subject. Let's get started. Okay, for task 1, we will have a light level meter, which measures the light in the room with the light around the sensor. Let's see how it works. As you can see on the LCD, this value is the light level of the room. Also, in the application of the phone is the same, approximately the same value. Okay, for task 2, we will have a warning system for the fridge. And for this system, we will have 3 sensors. The first sensor is the temperature sensor. And this sensor is detecting the temperature inside the fridge. As you can see now, this is the temperature inside the fridge. The second sensor is the LDR, which is detecting the light level inside the fridge. This is the light level. The last sensor is the door position, which shows if the door is opened or closed. As you can see now, the door is opened because the push button is not pressed. But if we pressed the push button, the door will be closed. Okay, now the door is closed. The door is locked, and there is no more aural sound. If we depress, the door is opened again and the aural sound is on. Let's press again. The door is closed. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share.
Every single day